Hello. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. My name is Mary Goff, and I'm from My Season Life with Mary Goff. My channel is all about empowering, supporting, and motivating women to live their best lives. I do that by sharing resources. I talk about my recent move to Portugal. I talk about living abroad as an expat. I also share healthy tips on how to stay healthy in your season life. And I talk about traveling. I have all kinds of travel tips on my site as well. So if you're interested in those things, make sure you like and subscribe. And if you know someone else who might be interested, make sure you share my videos. I have plenty of playlists that people can watch and get all sorts of helpful tips. And another thing, if you want to join other motivated women who are interested in maybe traveling or living abroad or joining other women for fantastic meetups all over the world, make sure you join my new Facebook community, Black Women Expats. All right, and I'll leave the description for that as well. So thanks so much for tuning in. Make sure you hit the likes, turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Have a fantastic day, because I am living my best life, and you should too. Bye.